The Minnesota and International Railway was a subsidiary of the Northern Pacific Railway, a railway that operated in the western United States along the Canada-United States border. In 1970, the Northern Pacific merged with other lines to form the Burlington Northern Railroad. History. This road began as a conglomeration of logging lines in north-central Minnesota, along with the Northern Pacific's own nascent Bernard and Northern, began circa 1892 to build north to the border with Canada. On July 17, 1900, the Northern Pacific formed the Minnesota and International to control these lines as a through route between its terminal at Brainerd, Minnesota, and the border with Canada at International Falls, Minnesota. The line formed a 200-mile north-south route via Bemidji, Minnesota. An early 20th-century train derailment 2 miles north of Nisswa, Minnesota left multiple boxcars sunken in the soil which remain buried today at a depth of approximately 15 feet underneath what is now the Paul Bunyan State Trail. The corporate entity was folded into its parent company on October 22, 1941, and was operated as the 8th subdivision of the Northern Pacific's Lake Superior Division. Division headquarters were in Duluth, Minnesota. As the 8th subdivision, in 1950, the Northern Pacific published a summary of branch line earnings for the system, Form 7251. For the Lake Superior Division, these totals were: Lake Superior Division $267,684, Ashland $834,643, Cuyuna $3,045,802, Cloquet $82,035, Grantsburg $1,380,797, International Falls $5,610,961, Lake Superior total